good morning students. Myself Mrs. Puneet. I am your science teacher and today we are going to discuss our fourth chapter, that is cleanliness and hygiene. In that chapter our topic is diseases which is caused due to the lack of personal hygiene and unclean surroundings. So that because of lack of personal hygiene, when a person is not maintaining his personal hygiene, when he or she lives in an unclean surroundings, different kind of diseases are there which is caused. So first of all is through the air. Now due to the lack of personal hygiene and unclean surrounding, four type of diseases are there. That is, first one is through air, second one is through infected food and water, third one is through direct contact, and the fourth one is through insects. We will discuss one by one regarding them. First of all is our through air. So if personal hygiene is not maintained in a proper way, then if an infected person coughs, sneezes or spits in an open area, so healthy person, when he or she is moving nearby that place, he may got different kind of diseases from that cough, from that sneeze and from that spit also. First of all, it is common cold. Common cold, you all know. Diphtheria is a kind of a disease in which your throat area is covered with a dark, you can say dark kind of a structure is there inside your neck, which actually not, in that case you are not able to breathe properly. Then viral fever, you all know viral fever kind of a fever which remains for 2 or 3 days, and then last one is your tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is short form is TB, which is actually again the disease of your lungs. So this kind of disease that is spread through the air, there are common colds, diphtheria, viral fever and the tuberculosis, which is caused by the infected person to a healthy person coming in that contact of that polluted air. Second one is through infected food and water. Whenever a person consumes contaminated food and contaminated water, for example, in an open area, vendors are selling different kind of food items. Okay, they are kept all these items in an open area. So you should avoid eating that food from that open area, because it may cause you different kind of diseases. First of all is diarrhea, which is very common in the children. It actually causes you vomitings and loose motions. Then is your typhoid jaundice. Jaundice is a kind of a disease in which your person's body becomes yellow, even eyes become yellow also. Then last one is the cholera. So you should avoid eating outside, junk food also, and from the vendors who are actually selling food items and who place the open food items in an open place. You should avoid eating that kind of things. The third one is through direct contact. Nowadays pandemic is going on. Again I want to discuss about the corona. That is why government has advised you to wear the mask, because corona is spreading through air also, infected food and water also, through direct contacts also. Okay, earlier this corona pandemic was not there. So earlier diseases are there: chicken pox, ringworms, conjunctivitis, whooping cough, then your measles. First of all, we will discuss about the chicken pox. Chicken pox is a kind of small dots all over the body. Okay. Then is your ringworm, is a kind of a fungal infection, and then is your conjunctivitis. It is a problem of your eyes. Then is your whooping cough. Kind of a cough is there. Different kind of sound is produced during this whooping cough. Then is measles. Measles is again a kind of a chicken pox, but the spots are bit smaller. In your chicken pox, spots are of this size almost. But in measles, they are comparatively smaller in size. Okay. Then through insects. Now again, different diseases are caused by the insects also. For example, female Anopheles mosquito caused malaria. Malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquito. Now question will arise कि ma'am, why female Anopheles mosquito to bite to one person, na? How can it spread to the another one? Now, if female anopheles mosquito, for example, this is one person and this one is the another person. Okay. If female anopheles mosquito pricks here, this is the healthy person, and this is the this is the infected person. This is the healthy person. First, female anopheles mosquito bites here. Afterwards, he comes to the healthy person and bites here again. So it will spread the germs of the unhealthy person or infected person to the healthy person also. It injects the harmful effects and that disease causing agents to the healthy person also. The next one is your Aedes mosquito, which actually causes dengue and chikungunya. Dengue, as you all know, it is very common in our Ratia place also. So Aedes and female anopheles mosquito causes and spread different kind of diseases also. So what are the preventions and preventative measures? You can take different kinds of preventive measures to avoid these kind of diseases. What are they? You have to keep yourself clean. You have to keep your surroundings clean. Now, how can you keep your surroundings clean? You should clean you should regularly change the water of your cooler. Then you should maintain a proper personal hygiene also. As you all know, this chickenpox, ringworm, conjunctivitis, whooping cough and measles, they are spread through the direct contact. So you should avoid sharing the towels. You should avoid sharing the different handkerchiefs or different clothes of other persons also. And that way you will maintain your personal hygiene. You should always wear clean clothes. You should always use clean towel and try to eat food at home only, so that you can protect yourself from the different kind of infectious diseases. Thank you and have a nice day.